Good morning. Welcome to the Higher Education Expo 2024 webinar session. With me today is Yang Mulia Dr. Mohammad Hazwan bin Azri, Program Leader of Petroleum and Chemical Engineering, Faculty of Engineering from Universiti Teknologi Brunei. We will be presenting on the topic Introducing Bachelor of Science Honors in Energy Engineering. Without further ado, I invite you to start your presentation.
Thank you very much. Let me just show the screen here. Yeah, Assalamualaikum and good morning, everyone. I think before I begin my presentation, I'd like to thank the MOE Higher Education Expo members and the UTB management team for giving me the opportunity to speak to you today about our BEng in Energy Engineering program that we offer here in Universiti Teknologi Brunei, or UTB. Okay, let me introduce myself. I'm Dr. Hazwan. I'm an assistant professor here in Petroleum and Chemical Engineering program area. I'm also the program leader for the program area. Okay. Before we dive into the specifics of the Bachelor's in Energy Engineering program, I'd like to take a moment to introduce to you out there to our Faculty of Engineering. This is the faculty my program area is part under. Okay. If you don't know, the UTB Faculty of Engineering is the foremost provider of engineering higher education in the country, in Brunei. So the Faculty of Engineering consists of 4 program areas. So we call these program areas. So they are civil engineering, electrical and electronic engineering, mechanical engineering, and last but not least, in my program area, petroleum and chemical engineering. Okay, so each of the program areas delivers taught programs. Yeah, so for example, in civil engineering, here they offer BEng in civil engineering and also BEng in civil engineering with structural engineering. For electrical and electronic, they also offer 2 BEng degree courses. So BEng in electrical and electronic engineering and BEng in mechatronics engineering. For mechanical, they offer BEng in mechanical engineering. And for my program area, which is petroleum and chemical, we offer chemical engineering. And what I'm going to speak about today is a BEng in energy engineering. Okay. So our taught programs in the faculty are designed to achieve accreditation by professional institutions under the UK Engineering Council. So at the moment, we have 2 program areas attaining successful accreditation. So one of them is the civil engineering program. Yeah, they're accredited by the Joint Board of Moderators. I believe first accreditation was in 2017, and then they got re-accredited just recently in 2022. And we also have mechanical engineering. They've been accredited by the Institution of Mechanical Engineers in 2022. So we call them IMechE. Yeah. So it's important accreditation. Yeah, it's for international recognition first and foremost, and for the realization of our vision, UTB's vision, which is to become hopefully a global university with meaningful and positive impacts on society. So we hope electrical and electronic and my program area will follow suit in terms of being accredited. Okay. So these undergraduate programs takes a duration of 4 years, all of these PhD degrees. So in addition to bachelors or undergrads, we also offer graduate programs. Yeah. So we have here under Masters of Science by coursework. So when I say by coursework, it's a teaching course. It's a teaching degree. Yeah. So civil engineering, electrical and electronic engineering, mechanical engineering, water resources, and environmental engineering all offer Masters of Science by coursework. I think the duration for this is it's a 1 year program. Yeah. We also have Masters of Science by Research, and we also offer PhD programs, Doctor of Philosophy. So these two, which is the Master of Science by Research and Doctor of Philosophy or PhD, all four program areas that I mentioned before offers them. Yeah. So for Master of Science, it's a 2 year duration. I believe for a PhD, it's a 3 year program. Okay. Okay. So let's talk a bit about why we decide to introduce energy engineering uh, to Brunei or to university. Yeah. We just need to look first at the global as well, not just Brunei, but the global energy landscape. So as we know, Brunei is heavily reliant on oil and gas. Well, yeah, but we understand that, its aims to diversify, yeah, its energy mix. Yeah. So this is mostly due to concerns of the resource depletion. As we all know, oil and gas is a finite resource, and the subsequent environmental impact. Yeah. Further, I think there has been globally, not just in Brunei, increasing investment in renewable energy resources or sources. Yeah, in Brunei, particularly solar, yeah, in order to diversify our energy portfolio. So, which is why we believe, introducing this program, energy engineering, or equipping Brunei with energy engineers is essential. Uh, First of all, in designing and implementing solutions for a sustainable energy transition, alongside to reduce carbon emissions, and of course, to have some sort of energy security in the country. Yeah. Okay. So with all that, however, there are challenges, but challenges comes opportunities. So we hope, we have by introducing this and providing, the country with qualified energy engineers, we can face these challenges, have help to address some of these technological barriers. And hopefully we can take advantage on the opportunities that arise, in terms of collaborations and hopefully innovative solutions to address these. Okay. So we also hope, yeah, it creates new job opportunities and enhance global competitiveness, yeah, in our energy infrastructure and in research as well. So ultimately, as an institution, we want to contribute in a major way to our nation's initiative, which is Wawasan 2035. So we hope by introducing this program, Brunei would bolster the nation's capacity to address the energy challenges. We hope to drive some sort of such sustainable development, hopefully contribute to diversification of the economy, and enhance global competitiveness. All these align with, Wawasan 2035. So these are just some articles there, where our stakeholders also follow suit and try to contribute to the Wawasan 2035. Okay. So before introducing this, we did some surveys to uh, to the public. Yeah, we sent out surveys to the public. We got quite positive feedback. I think it's around 300 plus responses and growing. Yeah. So we sent some questionnaires to three groups, which is in this case employees or job seekers or prospecting students. Yeah. The results show is quite positive. Yeah, if you can see, 93 or close to 93% agrees that energy engineering or introducing this course is important. Yeah. About 86% would like to work in the energy industry. About 79 would like to further study in energy engineering. And about 67% would like to enroll in the program. Yeah. These are just some responses from employees or job seekers, or students in this case. Yeah. We also sent the survey to parents. Parents strongly approve this course. Yeah, they rated around 4 on 5 only. And then, of course, we send these surveys. We try to get feedback from employers. Yeah, so industries. Yeah. So again, we received quite good or positive response. Yeah, 95% of them recommends their staff to do further study in energy engineering. Yeah, 85 would employ energy engineers. Yeah, so that's good. 87 would train existing staff in energy engineering. So all these are quite a positive thing for us. So, which leads us to rebranding our program. Yeah. Previously, we offer a BEng in chemical and petroleum. So we've rebranded the BEng in petroleum engineering to energy engineering. Yeah. So basically, what we're trying to do here, we are just trying to respond to these evolving landscapes of energy. And of course, the increasing emphasis on sustainability and diversification, which gives us the strategic decision to rebrand our course. So I like to emphasize as well, we are not moving away from oil and gas related content. It's energy as well. Yeah. But we're just expanding our scope, of our program. So to encompass all facets of energy production, storage, distribution, and utilization. So we hope, introducing this course, we can better prepare, graduates to address these, I guess, multifaceted challenges that arise today. It's a dynamic landscape, right? So hopefully our graduates are well equipped. Yeah. Okay, so what is energy engineering? So there are many descriptions, or definitions on energy engineering. But for us, it is, we like to equip our students or graduates to address the production, storage, distribution, and use of energy from various sources. So including traditional ones like oil and gas, so that has to be there, being in Brunei and all, as well as integrating some new energy sources. So such as biofuels, we touch a bit on nuclear, hydro, wind, and solar power, of course. Yeah. So the main focus here is to develop efficient, clean, and innovative methods to meet global energy needs. Right. Okay. So our program here at University Technologi Brunei at UTB is tailored to Brunei's energy needs, covering, as I've mentioned before, traditional and renewable resources. Yeah, we are also strongly supported by industry. Yeah, we have a strong partnership with them. Yeah, our students here gain a lot of practical experience and, of course, guidance from expert faculty. Yeah, in order to prepare them for a diverse career opportunities. Okay, so as I mentioned, each engineering degree program we offer here is a duration of 4 years. Yeah. So I'll just cover briefly or outline a bit on what modules we'll be taking in each year. Okay. So each year is divided into 2 semesters. Yeah. I think per semester, your students are expected to take around 5 to 6 subjects, or what we call modules here per semester. Yeah. So in year one of the course, yeah, you're expected to take some communication modules. Yeah. For example, effective communication, technical communication. Yeah. MIB. Yeah. Melayu Islam Beraja. It has to be there, of course. Yeah. We have mechanics and materials. We also offer advanced science and mathematics courses. So engineering, chemistry, and physics, engineering maths. Yeah. And a staple in engineering here, we have thermodynamics, fluid mechanics, yeah, and of course, some energy engineering fundamentals, just to introduce the students to how important the course is or the discipline is. Yeah. In year two, we go more in depth. Yeah. So we offer other modules here like entrepreneurship, yeah, heat transfers. We cover electrical principles, some energy engineering design there, computing, and we cover more in depth on some of the renewable topics, which is like solar energy, wind and hydro, of course, and biomass, biofuels. It is in year two where they start to do lab practicals here. So moving on to year three, this is when the students will start to do a design project. Usually it's a group design project. Yeah. So and they also have to take some other courses, for example, environmental engineering, some safety courses, management, economics courses as well. Also, we dive into a bit more on the energy storage systems, distributions. It is in year three as well, where they start to do or take elective modules, which I'll show later. Okay, so after completing year three, just before entering year four, yeah, students are required to do a 3 month, approximately 3 month industrial placement. And we call this program Experience Plus. So the purpose here is to provide a platform for the students to gain valuable work experience under the guidance of an industry mentor. Yeah. So they get to shadow working engineers or professionals in the industry. Yeah? So after completing that, we enter the final year or the fourth year. Okay. So here, other than taking these modules here, which is ethics, we cover a bit on hydrogen technology, sustainable development, and an important topic here, carbon capture. Yeah. This is where they do the final year project. So mostly this is a more research based project. Yeah, it's a substantial amount. Yeah, so we believe it's important to instill or inculcate these research skills before they graduate. Yeah, and of course they have a choice as well to take some electives. So these are the current electives that we offer. There's many more actually. So, but these are just what we offer in-house, meaning in our program area, yeah, in under petroleum and chemical engineering. Yeah. Okay. So, but sometimes we try to consult the students, yeah, uh, to take potential pathways on their electives. So hopefully they can be specialists in these areas, like these three areas. So we've identified three potential routes for them that they can move forward to or progress with. So one of them is energy engineering. Yeah, if they want, specialize purely in energy engineering, they can do so. Yeah, these are the electives that they can take to support them. Okay, of course, we also offer chemical engineering. So we can give them or prescribe them some chemical engineering modules. Yeah. And of course, as I've mentioned, we're not moving away from petroleum engineering. So these are is another pathway for them. So they can take the petroleum engineering route. Okay, so where they will cover all these modules. And hopefully we get them to be experts or specialists in these areas, in addition to energy engineering. Okay. All right. So I'm just going to go briefly through this. We have a lot of lab facilities. I'm just going to highlight a few here. All right. So we have some separation labs. We have heat transfer labs here. We have some pilot plants available. Uh, we have fluid mechanics lab, some process control, some reaction engineering labs, so where students get to work on reactors. Of course, we have renewable energy lab. This is what we're trying to furnish or get more equipment. So far we have solar thermal and solar plates. Yeah. And we have a petroleum engineering lab, of course. Yeah. So a lot of some of these equipments are donated by industry. So we are very grateful for their support. And of course, we have computer labs. So here we have AI and machine learning labs here, okay, which I believe is also donated by industry. Yeah. So here's our lab facilities. So in my program, we have 13 teaching staffs. So we have one professor, three associate professors, three senior assistant professors, one assistant professor, and five lecturers on seat. Yeah, most of them are chartered engineers, and a few of them are quite accomplished. So, because some of them are in the top 2% of the scientists ranked by Stanford. Okay. All right. So, if you want to join, yeah, if you're thinking of joining, here are some of the entry requirements that we have. Yeah, for those taking A level, we require at least 240 points. Yeah, A level points or combination of CCC. Yeah, which has further maths or math, physics, and at least one relevant science subject. So this can be either chemistry, biology, design and technology, and computer science. So this is for those who are fresh off A levels. We also have international baccalaureate qualification, yeah, IB. So we require at least 28 points with a minimum of 4 points at higher level or 15 points at standard level. Yeah, both in maths, physics, and 4 points in one of the science subjects, which is stated there. Okay. For those with diploma, we can also accept you. Yeah, you have to meet the minimum CGPA of 1.6 out of 3 and merit grade in some or 60% of your analytical modules. Yeah, such as these. Yeah. So for those students who are just fresh off polytechnic, yeah, taking the HND in Petroleum Engineering, you're free to apply and join us in energy. So we also cater for mature applicants. Yeah. So for mature applicants, these are the qualifications. All right. A level 5 diploma. And also we consider some work experience and other qualifications as well. All right. Okay. So if I've missed out anything, feel free to visit our website. Uh, this is our address there. So www.utb.edu.bn, or just do a Google search, University Technologi Brunei. Yeah, you'll get all the information there, more comprehensive one. Yeah, and you can contact any one of us. Yeah, if you have any questions. Okay, so before I end, I just want to show a bit or briefly on what is our student output. So this is, some of the posters that they did, yeah, on the group design project. They've also able to publish. Yeah, this is also as an output from their group design project. So our students are able to publish, which is also good. So we have some activities. Yeah, we have FYP showcase where they showcase their work or their final year projects to the public and industry. So we also have, or we also offer them some workshops and training by industry. Yeah, some of them here is like from BSP. Yeah, we have a hazard workshop there conducted by Damit Worley. Yeah, we also have some conducted by Schlumberger here. Yeah, these are just a few visits that they did previous years. Yeah, I put this in the middle because you are able or you can go abroad to do your in Experience Plus or any student exchange program. Okay, these are some of our alumni. Yes, a nice picture there with our Vice Chancellor. Yeah, this is, I believe this is in the BFI, Brunei Fertilizer Industry. Some of our students are here in Petrocon, some in JKR. Yeah, basically they're posted everywhere. Okay, these are just some or a few of our industrial support, and we're very grateful. Yeah, that they're always been there for us. Yeah, especially our industrial advisory board members. Yeah, uh, where they review our curriculum to ensure we are industry relevant. So we appreciate their efforts. And I believe that is the end of my presentation. Thank you. Like I said, if you have any questions, feel free to visit our website. Okay. And yeah, to all the students, please come join us and all the best in your applications. Thank you.
Thank you for your insightful presentation. As there are no questions, we'd like to thank you, Yang Mulia Dr. Mohammad Hazwan bin Azri, for the presentation. We hope this session has been beneficial for our viewers. Thank you for joining us. See you soon in our next webinar session starting at 10:30 a.m.